I was 24 years old when I heard the words, "You have cancer." Hearing such a diagnosis can be really devastating. When I relapsed, I was feeling zero hope, zero energy. But when I was walking into my hospital room, I saw a care package that was left on my bed from a former patient who is doing well again. I just felt a complete 180. I knew that I needed to persevere, needed to fight, and be that inspiration for some other people as well. I founded Kids to Heart to help bring smiles and solidarity to those affected by cancer. Since we started, we've been able to distribute 6,000 cancer care kits to all 50 states. And this wouldn't have been possible without the over 5,000 volunteers who have been helping us throughout these years. My family was my rock throughout my treatments. I am forever indebted to them, really. Sorry.
我最驕傲嘅一件事就係我可以做到 Sonia 嘅爹哋。
I just feel so lucky. And through these care kits, I hope to pass on the message that patients are not alone. There's a whole community rooting for them and showing their support.